Assalamu alaikum, how are you guys? I'm Aminur from New Tech, and today in this video I'm gonna show you how to host a Zoom meeting room in HD mode and professional way, which look like really attractive, professional, and that video will be in HD mode, so that will be better quality. So before we get started, I suggest you to subscribe to my channel and hit the bell icon so you get notified every time I posted these types of awesome new videos. And if you have done that, thank you so much, and let's get to this video started. All right, so let me show you first on my desktop PC. So I open up the Zoom application on my desktop PC and it's showing something like this where only 4 buttons available here, and I've logged in with this application with my Gmail account and new meeting, and yeah, I'm available right now. So new meeting is just for instantly start a new meeting where you can invite some people for 30 minutes in one meeting. So you can unlimitedly create new meeting, it doesn't matter. So yeah, I'm creating a meeting just for an example. Join with computer audio, click right here, and from here you can select your microphone and speaker. As I'm using the NVIDIA RTX voice as my microphone input, so I clicked here, and for speaker I am also using the NVIDIA RTX voice, but you can change it. If you click right here, if you hearing the sound, you press yes, and for please can you hear reply, I mean, if you're talking right now, the blue bar will jump like this. So if you don't, you can change it from here. If yes, you can hear yourself, then you need to press here yes, and from here you can change your webcam. So I usually use this when I go live using my DSLR camera as webcam. So let me stay here, and here's the two button. The little I button, you can change the meeting topic from here. So I'm using just YouTube tutorial. Okay, so this meeting ID subject is YouTube tutorial right now, and you can copy your link from here. If you click here, it will automatically copy, and you can paste it to anywhere else. Like if you press paste, you'll get this URL, and if anyone click on this URL, they will be automatically in like this. You need to approve anyone if they are trying to join in your room. You need to admit them. So yeah, as you can see, try add someone as student, and I can share screen whiteboard where I can write anything else. So as you can see, the side screen, actually the side screen is my computer phone screen, which is the student screen here. So if I'm writing something over here, they can see it real time, and they can also highlight anything, or they can also write anything on the whiteboard. So it's really awesome. So if I can clear my drawing, I can clear the viewer's drawing, and I can clear all drawing from here. So stop sharing. So I can also share the screen. So what I'm seeing on my screen, the student will see the same thing over there. So you can just say that, dear student, you should subscribe, you should visit this channel, youtube.com/newtechar, and like you need to click this button, yeah, it should be written subscribed, and you can arrow sign, so student can also make an arrow sign over here. So let me see another great way. I'm recommending everyone to use this way. So if you open up the Zoom application on your desktop and click the schedule, and you can change the schedule name. Click change the, you can set the date when you want to start this meeting and time. So 40 minutes is not allowed as I'm not update to the paid version of Zoom application. So resuming meeting, it means you can start anytime, or uncheck if you want to start this meeting in a specific time. So generally your personal meeting ID, if you use the personal meeting ID, then you can see your personal that meeting ID, and you can also change the password of that meeting ID. So it's really handy and helpful. So let me show you how it's also important. So if 54321 as password, and video, the host video will remain on, participated video will also remain on. Enable, if you want to do something more, enable join before host, and mute participant upon entry. That means if anyone enters, his mic will be automatically muted until the host unmute him. So I'm unchecked it and make this as video. So if I go to the meeting section, I can see that meeting at 6 p.m. 6 p.m. to 6:30, and yeah, as you can see, everything is written here. Everything, the meeting topic, the meeting time, and the meeting joining URL and meeting ID and password. Every single thing that you need to know, and every single thing that you have to need to join any meeting room. So if you press this thing and you press enter, the person you are inviting, he will be get the URL, and also he will get the uh, meeting ID and password in order to enter to the meeting room easily. So it's really easy. I'll suggest everyone to use this function as use this schedule function, and if you press the start, it's automatically start. And if the host doesn't start and the participants are coming, they all will remain in a waiting room. So it's really good idea. It's really awesome way. So now let me show you in phone how you can make a schedule on your phone. So you open the Meet app and press the schedule, and you can just make the time, month. It's July 4th. July 4th, right here. So it's July 4th, 2020, from 6 p.m. to 6:30. And you can also, if you're taking a class which is every day, you can repeat it. So you don't need to schedule this every single day, and use personal ID, PMI. And if you are using this PMI, you can change the password, and host video will on. So here's the meeting ID that you need to enter, and here's the password. So if anyone wants to join, they just need to click the join button and enter this room ID and password in order to simply enter to the Zoom meeting ID. I mean Zoom meeting room. So if you click done, as you can see, everything is right here. Aminur Rahman is inviting to a scheduled Zoom meeting, topic YouTube tutorial, time July 4, 2020, 6 p.m. Australia, Dhaka, something. So here's the URL, and here's the meeting ID and password. You can just copy everything, or you can just copy the URL only, or you can just copy the meeting ID and password only, and send it to someone that you want to add, and they can simply add through the he can all just simply add using the meeting ID and password. So that is it. So you can send it, click paste. Yeah, it's paste. So if you want to know how to join, click the other video, check my other video on the I little button and on the description below. You can check how to join in any Zoom meeting room using any phone or desktop PC or any iPhone, everything. So in order to sharing screen, I want to share one thing more. Yeah, you can also share the whiteboard with your partner while you are hosting on your phone. So if I rating, you need to press this little blue pen button every time you need to share whiteboard, and you can also turn off, turn on the camera. And if you want to know more about this Zoom room, so you can just click the Zoom uh, logo over there, and then you can find everything that you need to know. Like here's the meeting ID, and here's the password of this meeting ID meeting, and here's the URL. So as you can see how to host a Zoom meeting room in HD mode, and which is looks really nice, attractive, and it will make your student and participate easier to join in your room. So if you are a student or a participator who just want to know how to join in a Zoom meeting room, click this video where I talk about how to join in a Zoom meeting room in all the possible platforms. So if you like this video, give this video a like, or if you don't dislike this video, and please subscribe to my channel. And until next time, Assalamu alaikum.
To change your